Hi, it's me, Josephine, and today I want to show you how I made this very cute cubes. I made these little wooden cubes out of very natural, normal cubes you can find everywhere cheap on Amazon. Usually they might come from Alibaba, or you can just use some, like I did, what you found in the thrift store, and start painting them to give them some color. Because I personally realized that my daughter was not playing with them, and I wanted her to play with them too, so I gave them some color, and now she loves them. Let's get started. This is one of those cubes, how they looked like before I started painting them. And this is how the cubes look like now. I'm using watercolor here to paint them. I'm using no special watercolor, but of course, if you have something very natural, that would be awesome. I'm just using what I have at home right now. To seal it at the end, I love to use walnut oil. It takes a while until it's soaked in and the child can actually play with it. I hope you liked that video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You help me so much by doing that. And I would also be so happy if you would subscribe to my channel and stick around a little longer, because I'm uploading constantly more videos like this and to this content. I wish you a beautiful time. I see you soon in my next video. Goodbye.